this is our session overview from yesterday. I know you were really excited about the things we did, so I wanted to make sure I documented them step by step for you to follow along with, although this is going to be an abridged version so you don't have to watch an hour-long video. First one we did was the wall-supported reach, right? With our upper back, like base of our rib cage to low back engaged, touching the wall, and then 4 breaths here with our toes straight ahead. So use your soccer ball, the one that I gave you. So that was 4 breaths, 2 rounds, making sure that you feel solid through your heels. All right, the next exercise we did was our forward and backwards walking. So if you've got a good long hallway, this is a good place to practice. You'll walk all the way down and walk all the way backwards. So instead of having to do the turn, you can just do the forward backwards walk, unless you like the turn, in which case you can pick halfway, turn to our left, walk backwards, and then you can walk straight back down and then turn to our right and do the same thing. So that's your way of kind of practicing the forward and backward part. So then the next exercise we did was using our block. So if you're going to go down to the gym to do it, you can use the same one we used. If you're going to be in your apartment, a good thick book that is solid, that you're not going to be worried about it sliding out. All right. So from there, we've placed our book. We're putting our left foot on the book, shifting our weight over. Again, if you're going to do this at home, you can pick a hallway so that one side, one wall can pretend to be me, where you've got something kind of supporting you as you do this. So as you shift over, reach that foot in front of you, reaching left hand for the wall, right hand behind us, keeping an eye on our dance partner. Right? We're here, we're doing 4 breaths, we're slowly switching hands and feet. So now in this case, right foot is back instead of forward, left hand is back, right hand is forward, right? In this, I still want you to practice the left side. So you're breathing here 4 times, and you can repeat that each 1 time. Then from there, we did our lateral walking. So this may be a fun one to practice for like the length of a song. Just let the song play and you just practice going back and forth with that lateral step, keeping an eye on our dance partner. If there's interesting things in your hallway, you can kind of practice the different gazes that we used. But again, just reach together, reach together, reach together, eyes on our dance partner, keeping our posture nice and high, building that lateral hip stability. Then the last exercise that we did was the front foot elevated squat. So again, our book comes back. I'm putting the right foot on the block. My left foot is behind me. If you're going down to the gym, use your stall bar. If you're going to be up in your apartment, use a countertop, something that you know you can hold on to and trust. So if you were to lose your balance, you have something to catch. So reaching back, keeping that posture tucked, right? Reach the hips back, go backwards as much as you can, and sink into that squat. Squeeze, drive the heel into the ground to come back up, right? That's kind of layering in a new cue for you, where you're actually executing from the ground and having that consciously. You can do that for 3 rounds of 5 reps if you've got time for a whole workout. Maybe do 1 to 3 reps if you're just doing it randomly throughout your day. Just because I don't want you to push too hard in that exercise because it's still so new. I'm sure you could do 8 reps, but I don't want you to be heavily out of breath with that one, if that makes sense. So those are all the big movements we did in our session together yesterday. We did do 1 set of rows, but those were all of our mobility, Greek dancing, walking, different tools that we used. All right. Of course, as always, you can shoot me an email with any questions. I'll have this outlined in the email as well, and look forward to seeing you next week.